Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is class 10 model question paper social science with answer. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. So 8 multiple choice questions. First one, blue water policy was implemented by, answer is A, Francisco de Almeida. Next, second question, the rain that occurs in West Bengal due to local temperature and winds during April and May is called Kala Vaisakhi. The father of Green Revolution of India is, answer is C, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 4, the nation that formed triple entity pact during the First World War were, answer is B, Britain, France and Russia. Question number 5, the environment movement led by the Dr. Shivram Karant is, answer is C, agitation against Kaiga. Question number 6, Ladakh Plateau lies, answer is B, in Greater Himalayas. Question number 7, December 10th, 1948 is an important day because on that day, answer is A, UNO declared human rights. Consumer protection movement first started in United States of America. That is multiple choice question. Next come to second main. 8 questions will be there. Each carries 1 mark. Why was Dr. Haralu awarded the title Kaisar-e-Hind? So answer is given. Next, disarmament has become the need of present day world. Why? So or is also there. So anyone you can write. Question number 11, 15th March 1962 has become an important day in the world history. Why? 4 basic rights of consumer were given. Question number 12, why did Wellesley resign to his post and return to England? Answer is this. Next, western part of Western Ghats receives maximum rainfall. Why? Question number 14, why was National Planning Commission formed? Question number 15, what is the significance of Article 17 of the Constitution of India? Question number 16, mention any 2 major causes of unemployment. Let's come to third main. What are the reasons of this strained relationship between India and China? This is 2 mark question. Then what is the nature of riots? Our question is also there. What are the conditions of subsidiary alliances? What are the direct taxes imposed by government? Mention the types of accounts opened in bank. The people of eastern coast mostly face natural disaster. Explain with reason. What are the reasons for the increasing demand for the paper industry in the recent days in India? Question number 24. How did Martanda Varma become cause for the decline of Dutch power in India? Next, fourth main, answer the following question in 3 to 6 sentences. Question number 25. Which are the land use types in present India? What are the major ports found in eastern coasts of India? Explain the role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural developments. So this is the answer. Try to write answers in point wise. For each points will get mark. Or question, explain non-tax revenue sources. Question number 27, what are the advantages of opening bank account? Or what are the characteristics of an entrepreneur? Next, question number 28, what was the impact of British land tax system in India? Or question, Hyderabad merged into Indian Union, Junagadh merged into Indian Union. So write the how it merged into Indian Union. So write in point wise. Next, organized sector workers and unorganized sector workers difference we have to write. Question number 30, Krishna Raja Wadiyar Fort become the cause of transforming Mysore state into model state. Substantiate. Next one, mention the aim of objectives of UNO. The government is striving hard to conserve the forest. Justify. Question number 33, 19th century in Indian history is referred to as a period of Indian Renaissance. Why? Next one, the first war of Indian independence failed due to many reasons. Justify this statement. Our question, extremists played a major role in the Indian freedom struggle. Why? Justify. Next one, British education created a new generation in India. Justify this statement. What are the challenges faced by India? How can we conserve soil? Draw the outline map and mark the following given places. So this is your model question paper. So Stay tuned for next subject.